Well, certainly there have been other real estate, similar companies in New York who have misvalued their properties, or it could be argued to have misvalued their properties, and none of us are aware of any other case that has been brought in that regard. I have a statement from Alina Habba here, who is the Trump attorney on this case. We saw her every day coming and going from the courtroom with this. And let's put this statement up from her. She says this verdict is a manifest injustice, plain and simple. It is the culmination of a multi-year politically fueled witch hunt that was designed to, quote, take down Donald Trump. Before Letitia James ever stepped foot into the Attorney General's office, countless hours of testimony proved that there was no wrongdoing, no crime, and no victim. Given the grave stakes, we trust that the appellate division will overturn this egregious verdict, she writes, and end this relentless persecution against my clients. Let me make one thing perfectly clear. This is not just about Donald Trump, she says. If this decision stands, it will serve as a signal to every single American that New York is no longer open for business. Ari, your thoughts on that statement from the attorney?
Yeah, that last line about New York no longer being open for business, it surely does occur to me that if you're the Trump organization, if you're Eric and if you're Donald Jr., what are you going to do? Well, I don't know the laws, but I suspect you just move your company to Florida, or you move it somewhere else, and you continue to do everything they do. You just say goodbye to New York, which fits a pattern that many successful people have been doing and leaving New York, because New York is just too political, too blue, and too punitive. So you're seeing that in the business community and among upper income New Yorkers already. You just want to get out of here, not to mention the problem that crime is causing. I want to mention one other thing, Martha. These are the statewide cases. These are New York cases, Georgia, Fulton County case, beyond the reach of a president of the United States to either pardon or drop a prosecution. It does strike me that for the federal cases you were talking about, the immunity case, the classified document case, that is going to be our nation's first crowdsourced jury. Think about it. If Donald Trump wins re-election, he will be able to tell the Department of Justice, his Attorney General will, to drop all those charges. How will that decision get made? If the American people elect Donald Trump, that's what will happen on the federal level. If they elect Joe Biden, of course, those charges will continue. It's fascinating to me that that jury will be the American people in the election. It's a crowdsourced jury of every voter. And that's because they made this their big issue, is trying to judicially to get Donald Trump.
Very interesting take, Ari. Thank you.
Click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You won't get it anywhere else.